Hi guys. About a year ago, I was involved in a car collision. The first I knew, I felt my car being pushed into the intersection. Now, actually, I heard my car go crunch and then it was being pushed into oncoming traffic. My first thoughts was to my mother, who was in the passenger seat. She took the impact. I looked over, she was fine. It was all happening in slow motion. And then my car came to a grinding halt. The girl that decided to travel right, traveling through my car, she was turning right and she wanted to go, but she went through my car. I saw she pulled over, I thought, right, she's doing the right thing. But she sped off. When I got out my car to talk to her, she sped off. And for a mad 30 seconds, I gave chase. And I thought, I heard my spirit saying, Faye, you're going to make things worse. So I continue with my day. I brush it off. I thought, no one's hurt. My mum's fine. I'm fine. The car's got damaged, but money can pay for that. Then 6 months later after that accident, I found myself driving and thinking, why are cars driving so close to me? I thought, what is going on? And then I found myself struggling to get through narrow, like, the 7-foot bollards we have here in London. I found myself struggling to get through them. Like, I haven't got enough space. I normally drive through them fine. I thought something's wrong with my eyes. I go and get my eyes tested. Nothing's wrong with my eyes. So I thought, what is wrong with me? Then I came across an article, because I'm always reading up about how to improve my mental health and help others. Then I came across an article and it talked about if your hippocampus is damaged, that's the small brain inside your big brain. That's responsible for two main things, your memory and orientation, spatial awareness. So I thought, that's me, my spatial awareness is gone. So I thought, I need to fix this. No point going to a doctor. So I decided to search. I searched online and I found 2 treatments that would help, that said they would help. Fasting helps to decalcify your organs. How many times have you heard someone say after fasting they feel a lot more alert? So I did that, and then I did the other one I found was EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique, which is a mixture of psychology and Chinese medicine. And I did that. And after the first treatment I gave myself, it's tapping on certain parts of your body using 2 fingers. And this is what they call the chopping this bit. And I can't remember what it's called, sorry. And just tapping on certain parts of your body, taps of the tops of your head. I felt better. I felt like my eyes were open again. My awareness had come back. That's after the first time doing it. I did it for about 3 minutes. So how it works, just quickly, because I'm not an expert, I'm just sharing with you what worked for me. You have to name what you're going through, like trauma, car crash trauma. It could be heartache, it could be anxiety. Anything that's stressing you out, you name it so the brain knows what to work with. So, yeah, mine was car crash. So I started tapping there's lots of points all over your body. Basically, there's a meridian line going throughout your body. So you need to research what's ailing you. So mine was car crash. So I started tapping. First of all, I named it. Like I said, you've got to name it. No more car crash trauma. Okay, I've been through car crash. You can get AI to write you out a script. And I mean, I just made mine up. But, okay, so car crash. I had a car crash. So no more car crash trauma. That's all I did was no more car crash trauma. No more car crash trauma. I did that all over my body, on my head, very gently. No more car crash trauma. No more car crash trauma. Sometimes you find something that might come across a bit woo-woo. But if it works, you don't have to wait for someone famous to start doing it, then you do it. Or you don't have to wait for an influencer to say, yeah, this works. If it works, just run with it. We can heal ourselves. Go for it, people. I hope that helps. Hope that helps someone. Let me know what you think.